Wait, what the flip, brother? You got no front wheel! Oh my god. He has no front wheel, dude. Look at the wheel, it's right there, bro. You know you got no front wheel, right?
No front.
You're about to wheelie with no front wheel? No way.
You need help?
You want me to lift it?
Because this, the tires not heavy.
Oh,
not finish it.
It's leaking a little, some gas.
Look.
Yeah.
Tire.
Okay. You got it? Yo, look at his front wheels. Yo, he has no front wheel right now, dude. Are you flipping kidding me, bro? This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. My thing is like, what happens when he wants to stop, bro? Let's go! Oh, I was wondering, I was like, how is he gonna stop?
yeah, so this no finishing. The correct tires, small tires.
Yeah. You've been riding for a while? Yeah.
Follow me Insta.
Yeah. No front wheel, bro. Yo, that's just... It's insane, dog. Y'all shredding any wheelies? Practicing. We're getting that back brake, the rear brake. That's the most important thing, bro, that rear brake.
I'm trying to get it. Try to see.
You want me to try it? Alright, bet. I'll try this thing. 250 or 450? 450. So as you can see, I get on homie's dirt bike. He wanted me to test out the rear brakes, make sure they're feeling all right. But as you notice, he has like these caution tape on his bars and they're just flying in my face, bro. And I don't know why he has it. It's so distracting while you're up in the air like that. We shredded in the Y, or I was about to say that's a YZ, that's a KX. Let's get it. I remember homie from a while ago, bro. He's looking way more comfy on that quad now. Yes, sir! Let's go. Woo! Feel good. Yeah. It's just seat time, man. Seat time. Let's go. We got Trisco R7. Oh, what? You got no handbrake. And he's standing up on the seat like that, bro. How you doing? Is that Snazzy? What happened? You fell? What's wrong with her? She's mad?
She ain't feeling the new bike.
Yeah, she gotta get used to it.
That's what I told her. It was the same thing with the 636. It's her first day at the law.
No, yeah. It's gonna be different.
She did stand-up scraping. She's almost sit-down scraping. She's jumping the spreader. I was like, what more do you want in the first
right? Yeah. Let's go. We got Snazzy coming in on our new R7 with them purple freaking parts. Let's see it. See, bro. What are you talking about? She's killing it, bro. She was frustrated earlier, but she's shredding. Oh, we getting that wheelie now. That was good. forgot I has a horn, dude. I'm gonna hit it when I wheelie. Woo! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I ain't gonna lie, that brake noise sort of scares me. The reason this bike feels so weird is the bars are like tiny. It's like legit sport bike bars. Usually they have like stunt bars on them. Woo! Sport bike, bro, coming in hot. Woo! That boy powerful, dude. It's so scary watching people ride this thing. It came fully stunted, or? Yeah, ah, dope. That's dope. I like these colors a lot. I love purple. So you could just feel like this is like a stunted R7, and that's like a fully stock one. And just like the other ones, it feels like you're here, and this one you feel way more like a dirt bike. Bro, this feels so much better. I can't even explain it. God damn, that brake is freaking sensitive. This bit feel good. Bro, this is the problem. Like, you gotta make like 8-point turns. This one's definitely a little more comfortable for me. How do you even turn it off? Look, we're both out here on sport bikes. Woo! Yeah, see, bro, she's chilling. There it is. He got it now. That's it. Okay. Let's go. She's killing it. So as you see, he's hopping to the seat. Yes, sir. Let's go. That was it right there. That was it. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to stay motivated. Smash that like button if you enjoyed it. Wear your freaking helmets. I love you. Till next time, gang. Peace.